Hi there, I'm Kaylee, LiveWorx Marketing Manager. I wanted to share some information with you about our upcoming event on June 9th. Many of you know that LiveWorx is the conference to attend when you're looking to conduct business smarter, faster, leveraging today's most disruptive technologies. But given the current environment that we're in, we've had to reimagine LiveWorx. This year it'll be a fully virtual, one-day, complimentary event. LiveWorx will feature 9 empowering and inspiring keynotes, as well as 100 on-demand breakout sessions. I know that sounds like a lot of content to consume, but the good news is with your free registration, you'll have access to that content for an entire year. Additionally, our team's made it really easy for you to find the content that is most pertinent to your needs and wants. We've created recommended agendas that you can filter by track, your interest, PTC product, and more. You can find these online, favorite your sessions, and make sure that you're ready for an exciting event on the 9th. To find the recommended agendas, visit liveworx.com/recommended-agendas. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to concierge@liveworx.com. We hope to see you on the 9th. Cheers.